Today, we're going to cover an essential Jira skill for beginners, how to convert a subtask to a standard issue, and how to do the reverse, convert an issue into a subtask. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll be able to reorganize your Jira tasks like a pro, keeping your projects flexible and tidy as your work changes. Let's jump right in. First, let's look at converting a subtask to a standard issue. Why might you want to do this? Well, sometimes during a project, a subtask grows in complexity or scope. It's no longer just a small piece under a bigger umbrella. It deserves its own spotlight as a story, task, or bug. Elevating a subtask means it becomes independent of its original parent issue, letting you track and manage it as a standalone unit. To start, go ahead and open the subtask you want to convert. You can find it by searching or just clicking through from its current parent issue. Once you're viewing the subtask, look for the More Actions menu, usually up in the top right corner. This button looks like three little dots. Sometimes it's a gear icon, depending on your Jira configuration. Give that a click. In the drop-down menu, you'll see an option that says Convert to Issue. Select this. You'll notice a dialog box appears, walking you through the next steps. Here, you get to pick a new standard issue type for your former subtask. Maybe it's a story, maybe a task, or perhaps it's a bug that needs special attention. Think of this like promoting a team member. Choose the role that fits the job. Next, you'll confirm the project where this new issue will live. This is important, especially if your organization uses multiple Jira projects. Just double-check you're not accidentally moving the subtask somewhere unexpected. If the new issue type you selected has different required fields, from say a bug to a story, Jira will prompt you now to update those. This might be a status, a priority, or a custom field your team uses. Take a moment to fill these out. You want your new issue to be set up correctly from the start. When you're ready, select Convert. Jira will do the rest in the background, and just like that, your subtask is now a regular issue, all grown up and ready to be tracked separately. Now, what about going in the other direction? Sometimes, while grooming your backlog, you realize a standalone issue would be better handled as part of a bigger story or epic. By making it a subtask, you nest it under a parent issue, keeping related work organized together. To do this, start with the issue you want to demote, so to speak. Open it up so you're on its issue view. Again, look for those familiar three dots or gear in the top right. That's the More Actions menu. Click it and then choose Convert to Subtask. A dialog box will pop up where you'll be asked to select the parent issue. You can type part of the summary or the ID, and Jira will suggest matches. If you have a lot of issues, use specific keywords to narrow it down. Pick the correct parent. Maybe it's a larger story or a feature the subtask now belongs to. Jira might ask you to confirm or update some fields, just like before. This depends on your subtask configuration, so don't worry if you see a couple of required fields light up that weren't there previously. Just fill them out to match what makes sense for the subtask. When all the details look right, hit Convert and you're done. The issue is now listed as a subtask under its parent, and you've made your Jira board that much cleaner. If you want to see detailed walkthroughs or need more advanced tips, check out the Atlassian Jira documentation. They've got some great visual resources too. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give the video a like, and if you have any questions or just want to share how you organize your Jira work, drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical Jira tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching.